So I thank you for coming along today. Whoop, get my hand out of the way. It's a cloudy day out there. See that? It's already 8:30 in the morning. It's already cloudy. But I'll finish up my latte, get this video uploaded, get you on your day.
Stop for a moment. There's still time. You're not late. You don't need to have it all figured out. Just show up.
So take a look at the coupons. Tell me what you think. And I need nothing. I don't need anything. But I do want to get that cheese because for $1.47, I'm going to buy the 3 blocks, and that's going to give me another 24 bags of cheese. I don't use cheese that much, maybe once a week. So this cheese that I have now should get me all the way through 2026. And I'm not going to pick up any of the pork. I have no room for it. But I'm going to get me my senior discount on top of that $1.47. Oh, yeah. Well, good morning. It is Wednesday, which means it's coupon day. There isn't anything I need from the store, but we're going to take a look and see what the coupons are offering today in locations. Let's get started. It's cold here this morning and cloudy. Here is in Arizona. Okay, let's take a peek here and see what's going on. On my home page, love the Safeway app. Let's just say yes and be done with it. Quit asking me questions like that. Not now. You can get your own stars. Reach in the sky. Okay. Everybody wants to get their stars, which proves they're good. All right, let's see if there's anything going on the home page. Deals, they don't drink, they can keep that. I'm not going to buy that again. Okay, meat and seafood. See, they get all these little ads. Look at this. $8.99 for a red seedless watermelon. Crazy. $3.87 if you get it cut in half. Keep your watermelons. I have yet to buy a decent watermelon. We quit eating them about 3 years ago. Got tired of buying them, getting them home, cutting them open, and it was a thick rind. The inside was pinkish, if not whitish, and no flavor, so we quit buying them. Okay, let's see what the ads are this week. Score big with Pepsi. Yeah, here we go again. Let's get those chemicals in my body. Oh, and let's mix and match. I'm throwing tons of sugar. Let's disguise it with a little brand name that we've known forever, Lipton. Because now Lipton can also get you some tea full with sugar. Enough, Jeff. Buy 3 and get 3 free. Isn't that crazy? All right. They really want you to buy it. You see, this costs them nothing to produce it. And it costs you a fortune to buy it, let alone eat it. What it's doing to your body. What it's doing to your body. Now, I get there's people who say, but I can't afford to eat healthy. And I say, yes, you can. Yes, you can. It's a mindset. Okay, now, if you need laundry detergent, their ad's a little different this week. It's crazy. It's a new year. Anyhow, that's a decent buy. Tide. Digital coupon, $3 off. Sell price, $7.99. While supplies last. Now, it says while supplies last. If they don't have it on the shelf, I always ask for rain check. The store I go to always gives it to me. Maybe because they know me. I don't know. Okay. Gain is $2 more, and that's what we use is Gain. I don't use Tide. I think Gain has a nicer smell. It's not as chemical smelling to me. I don't buy Dawn at $3.99 on sale. That's where it should be to start with. Hike it up, give a coupon, and make you think it's a good buy. I don't buy Dawn. It's a brand name. I buy the cheapest dishwashing soap I can find, and it's normally at the Walmart as I walk through. I do use Cascade. I got it cheaper than that this week at the Walmart. Okay. $4.99 on toothpaste. I don't buy that. I get the $97 or 97-cent AIM at the Walmart. I do use Quaker oats. Here we go, mix and match some more. Now, why anybody would spend $2 to $3 on a box of rice when you can make it yourself at home? Oh, I get it, because if you buy 3, you get 3. Oh, ripping you off. I can buy 3 and buy 3 additional for less than what they're charging by doing raw rice and cook it myself. Okay, here we go. Now this is pretty good. Petite sirloin steaks, $4.99 a pound. That depends on how big they are. If they're a little size, like a 50-cent piece, no, they can keep it. But that's a decent price, I think. $4.99. Ground beef has not went down at all in the last 3 weeks. If you need it, I'd get it and hold on to it because it's going to continue to go up. Now, 97 cents for all natural pork chops. That's a great buy, 97 cents. You can do a lot with pork chops. You can grind it, put it in a meat grinder, or put it in a food processor by removing the bone, and you can make it really small and crumbly. Add some oats, add some eggs, add some spices, and make yourself some sausage. You could do that. Anyhow, that's a good buy, 97 cents. I don't have room in the freezer for it. I wish I did. Senior discount day. Now, today's the first Wednesday of the month. If you're over the age of 50, you are considered a senior, and you're going to get, 55, you are a senior, and you're going to get an additional 10% discount. So if you're going to shop, today's the day to do it. It's senior day. So I would get in my little buggy and get it done today, or have it delivered to you today. Okay, 99 cents a pound on oranges, pears, and apples. That's a decent price for pears. I've thought about getting pears recently to make me some pear bread, but they've been too expensive. So I may look at that for giggles and grins. All right, showing here on potatoes, we'll see $2.99 each, and that is a 10-pound bag. Remember, 5-pound on bag on sale for 99 cents or 98 cents, and sometimes 78 cents. So you're going to get 2 for $1.98. This is still $1 more than what you would normally pay. So I would pass on the potatoes until they come down again. Okay. Take a look here. There's nothing there. I think it looks good. I think avocados are still too high. And by the way, they're not coming from your local farmer because they're out of season. Now the cheeses are $1.47 each. I may go get some cheese for sure, because I always have it frozen in my freezer, and I do buy the block cheese that they have right there. And I shred it myself. You get more out of it. And that's on the first 4, so you can get 4 at $1.47 each. That's something I would recommend you do. Let's see what the eggs are. Limit time per household with 1 purchase. Oh, that's an online purchase. If you do purchase online, keep in mind you're going to get a 12-count egg. Don't forget to click that like that if you purchase online. And then click it into your cart. Remember how to do that? If that's what you want, you click it. And it's going to open it up. And then click it. And it's going to throw it in your cart. So you're going to get a free dozen eggs if you shop online. And that's for delivery or drive up. All right, so keep that in mind. It's a good deal. Anything free is good as far as I'm concerned. All right, here we got boneless beef tri-tip or shrimp sold in 2-pound bags. Okay, so you can get the variety pack of boneless beef tri-tip for $5. That's a good buy. And that's January 9th, 10th, and 11th, which is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So don't forget over the weekend, sometimes you have to go to the store more than once a week to get your deals. Today's the deal if you want a 10% discount as a senior. Head back on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, get your tri-tip. And let's see what else they got going on here. I don't buy anything from the bakery. Loaded with sugar, loaded with chemicals, loaded with preservatives. And most of it isn't cooked in store, folks. I want you to know that and make it warmed up. Frosted and decorated there for sure, but they're not baking it. It's coming in pre-baked. All right, a cut above. However, it's sliced. What's that say? 1 pound of Primo American cheese sliced in the fresh deli. When you buy 1 pound, you'll get a pound free. Up to you. If you want some fresh sliced cheese, buy a pound, get a pound. However, I'll tell you that pounds are no more expensive than what you're gonna get right there. So keep that in mind. I'll give you one free just to show up at the counter. Again, I don't eat canned anything, but Starkist tuna, they're $1 each. When you buy 4. So you have to buy 4 to get them for $1 each. Starkist tuna, you can get that over at the Walmart for right around 89 cents to 99 cents. They went up in price as well. If you eat canned soup or cook with it, or even beans, that's a decent buy. If you do canned goods, you know, I'm not an advocate of canned goods, but you do you, boo. And if you want canned goods, there they are, $1 each. Those cans of soup have been running from $1.25 to $1.49. So if that's what you want to buy, it's your money, do it. And there it is. I would do it if you eat canned goods. Now, remember when I showed you they had spaghetti sauce on sale a couple of weeks ago, a different brand name, and it was $1. And I said, or it was 99 cents, and 97 cents. And I said, get them. They're normally $6 each. Right there is a brand. So I would tell you to keep your eyes open for things like that so that you get it when it's on sale. All right, what we got going on here? At $12.99 a pound at beef tenderloin. Remember, it was on sale for $12.49 last week. So it's up 50 cents already. I had my U-Buy coupon, so I got it for $9.84 a pound. It's $12.99 this week. It's starting to climb. If you missed out last week, you know that's up. Chicken's up $1 more at $2.99 a pound this week. What else you got? Boneless half pork loin or shoulder roast. Now that's a decent buy. We normally get it when it's $1.99 a pound, but if that's what you wanted to get, we buy when we buy the shoulder roast or half pork loin, I slice it in serving amounts before I freeze it. So if it's a big loin, I cut it in portions to where we have 4 servings and freeze them individually. I do it that way. All right. And then you have 24 ounce of Hormel maintained pork. I wouldn't buy that Hormel. It's coming packaged, which means they've got nitrates in it. Nitrates are a preservative. It's up to you, but I just wouldn't do it. Okay, now if you wanted these, again, that's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday deal. Keep that in mind. You have to go back on another $5 sale. You've got here your sour cream, your whipping cream, and your cream cheese. I freeze sour cream and cook with it. I freeze cream cheese and cook with it. So if you want to buy it and pop it in your freezer, you get 3 for $5. That's a decent deal, which means it's coming out to about $1. What is that? $1.35 each. It's still early, whatever my math is. Anyhow, they're normally $3.49 each. So if you want those, get 3 of the sour creams or 3 of the cream cheese. I would get those, freeze them. That's what I do with mine. And then I cook with it. Okay. What we got now? I never buy fresh made fruit bowls. The reason I don't is they cut this up for your convenience, and you buy one, get one free. And they're telling you they're normally $5 each, so that's a bargain, folks. It's bullshit. They're cutting up old fruit to get rid of it. The produce manager says, get it cut, get it packaged, get it out of here. Doesn't come in that way. They do it in-house. So I would get that. I would not get that at all. Kevin has bought some in the past because we're walking through a store and he'll be like, this was before we started prepping, and he'd say, oh, I want some fruit. And he'd buy one, get it home, put a fork in it, take a bite, throw it away. Soggy, bad, no good. All right, now, mushrooms, 20 ounce, $5 each, too much. These were at $2.50 each, all the way up until last week. The month of November, December, they were $2.50 each. For $5, you get 2. Now they want you to get 1 for $5. Too late, you missed the wagon. All right, still too high on broccoli and cauliflower, and I do freeze both, but still too high. I blanch I don't pre-blanch the broccoli, and I don't pre-cook the cauliflower. I cut it into servings and freeze it. I cook it when we eat it, but I do buy that and freeze it when it's on sale or a decent price, which those is neither one. Look at this right here. Oh, little bites for my little one. 2 for $5. Shame on them. Box of chemicals right there. See here, off-brand dish soap at $1.99, Signature brand, that's theirs. I would get that. I wouldn't buy Dawn. You don't need a brand name. Soap is soap is soap is soap. It cleans away the dirt. All right. What we got going on here? I don't do liquor. I don't touch it, don't like it, won't look at it. Okay. Now, 50 cents off. Let's click on this. Here's why. It doesn't give you the price at all. Oh, I know why. It's because it's, doesn't give you a price. Sad thing is, cough syrup costs about 5 times more than what it's going to cost you for soda. So when you can get a Valentine little barrette for your hair for $5 and $11.97 for cough syrup, you see the imbalance? You want to throw liquid down your throat, you can do that soda with chemicals, but Lord, don't get a cold, because if you need that, they're going to charge you for it. Isn't that a shame? That's the reality of what's going on. All right. I don't see anything in this section at all. Oh boy, entice you with all them points. Get those points. Let's take a look here. Don't need any of that. Don't want to buy any of that. Not happening. Wow, they really don't have anything, do they? Nope, the deals are over. They're done giving you a deal. January is hit. It's a brand new year. Anyhow, we're going to have to keep watching and see what's going on. I'm going to go to the home page. I want to see what they've got for you deals. If they got anything here they want to entice me with. Okay. Here we go. 15 SPY, $75 or more. Not happening. I don't spend that ever have I hit a $75 mark at the grocery store in one purchase in over 2 years. Gala apples. Now see here, good through January. Now for me, they're going to allow me to buy those mushrooms at $1.79 each, but that's an 8-ounce pack, so they're still not going to get my money. It's 2, that's the small one, not happening. See here, on my U deal, I can get beef at $4.04 versus $4.49, but I have enough beef in my freezer to last me at least 7 months, 8 months, so I don't need to buy it. It can sit there. These are $1.47 each. It's the same deal that's going on this week. Don't need paper towel. We don't buy it. I don't do canned goods. Okay. Senior discount day. I'm going to click that because we are going to use that today. Okay. Powdered sugar. Don't need any of that. I don't buy any juices. I don't buy them. It's loaded with sugar. They use juice concentrate. Even though the front says 100% juice, it is 100% juice poured in a bottle with added corn syrup and water. Be real, folks. Take a look at the label. Oh, let's see what this is. 1 per household with online purchase. They're trying to give me the eggs there again. Another one here. $1.99. I don't need the eggs. I bought eggs when they had them on sale, 18 count. For $1.99, you could get 2, and that's what I did. And now they're 12 count for $1.99, so they can keep it. Don't need potatoes. I got potatoes growing everywhere, including outside my garden. I'll have to give you an update on that. Boneless chicken breast, too much at $2.39. 97 pork sirloin, that's on the front page. So this is the U deal. There's nothing in the U deal that they're going to offer me that's going to entice me to spend any more money. I don't need anything.